Celebrations must be in order for the side. That's a chance. Oh, a chance to put one out. Whoa, there you have it. That is the 10-man now scoring. That's number 3 who scored the first goal. I mean, for the Nazarene side, that is Simpiwe Ngomonye. Simpiwe Ngomonye, the number 3. He scored the first goal as the defender. He scored now the second one. He plays for his football for Sunbeats under the Mkiweni promotion. So is it late for anything is possible?
He's getting himself a brace lapha ulwile umfana after leya save ya goalkeeper qhubeka walwa lapha against 2 defenders. Une fighting spirit lapha Simphiwe Ngomonye. With 9 minutes to go plus optional time, 2 goal deficit. Ngicabanga ukuthi awuphakamisa nayo iboss khona bese iluze concentration naye bese thina ukuthi igame seyiphelile. Ngicabanga ukuthi kufuna babuye enkundleni badlale.
They don't care about